Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download BeReal application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data and tap open your Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and tap it on. Type in BeReal and search. You'll be able to see the application that says BeReal, your friends for real. Simply tap on the install button right next to the app to begin the downloading process. Now, wait until the app gets downloaded and installed on your Android device. It might take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you'll be able to see an open button. Give it a tap to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download BeReal application for your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.